What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Vsop Banger back with another video, and today we got some bull crap going on. So, like a week ago, I had went and got oil change. So they told me my my brake light came on. So I'm thinking, like, what is it? They told me that my calipers was leaking, and I was kind of wait 2 weeks just because of some other stuff. And I had ordered some parts, so I'm trying to wait. But I'm riding, and like my pedal, it just start going all the way to the floor. So I'm like, man, I can't drive like this, especially in this weather. You see how it is. I'm glad there's no snow. But my brakes went out, and I couldn't stop. Like, I could stop, but I had to press it all the way down and like hold it. Like, I'm like standing up in it. So brought it to the shop, and they about to fix it. The shop I took it to before, and another reason I didn't let them fix it, they told me $600. Boy. So got them fixing it, and we're gonna see how this goes. So you said this is the caliper that's leaking.
The seals are leaking around the pistons,
and then the brakes
the
are
getting kind of low.
Yeah,
it's not wore out yet, but they're getting down there just a little bit.
Okay. So you guys heard that? It's both brake calipers, and wow, those are getting switched out. We might as well switch the brakes out. So I'm pissed because of how much it is. But the place across the other place told me another number, so this number is probably better, but still, like, gosh, bro, it's so much money, like, for some brakes and calipers. Like, it's crazy, man. These are my shitty brakes. It's crazy. So will I have to change or repaint that silver part?
Repaint it?
Yeah.
I'm not sure what color they're gonna show up like.
It's a different color though, right?
Yeah, I think so. The ones that come might look just like this, possibly. We'll see what they look like when we get here. I'll show them to you.
Are you able to tell if like the head's been changed?
Might be.
I don't really know what else to do to start getting into modding it.
Getting more power and
stuff. I know I gotta get a 130 watt
original.
130 watt amp.
The alternator.
Alternator, I'm tripping.
130 amp alternator. Yeah, the heads. I mean, this is the heads. It all just looks like it matches the rest of the motor. So
okay.
It doesn't look like.
I don't know I think they said the difference was like the PSI or the PI.
Something like that. Maybe the PSI or the C, maybe the CFM or something like that. Maybe.
I don't know.
Yeah,
something.
It just depends. I mean, you can get all kinds of different heads.
Yeah. Then somebody told me I had to change the coil packs to the MSD ones.
You could get those. They're just put out more spark and stuff. But
Yeah.
until you do other stuff like the heads or something like that first, then when you do the heads, you need more spark. But right now, you're basically just
stock.
It wouldn't hurt to. Obviously, it would burn maybe a little bit better, but you wouldn't notice any power difference just by changing these only.
Okay.
You wouldn't notice anything. But when you start wanting to try to burn more fuel with the bigger heads and stuff like that, then you need a hotter spark to ignite all that fuel, basically. So it's an endless thing.
Yeah.
Like you said,
after 2 hours and $60 later, we got brakes again. I'm pissed, like, shit, bro. It's always something, like, $460 for brakes and calipers, like, man. But I guess that's what comes with the maintenance and all that. Hopefully I don't have to do this for a little minute. I was looking for the Brembo brake calipers, but I couldn't find them. Like, if anybody know where to find those at, tell me. Drop it in the comment section below. I'm trying to get Brembos. Like, these are just the calipers from the advanced auto parts or whatever. I want Brembos. So if you guys know anybody or any site, let me know ASAP. So, got brakes again. I'm finna test them and see if they work. I mean, it's not going all the way down again, so I'm finna do a couple spins, burnouts, and we gonna see. Okay, Team Vsop, we back at the crib. I'm still kind of mad about that bill, man. I ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna cap with you. Hold on, make sure I got the key. I don't know. Us people be tripping, leaving the key in the car, lock the door. I see the weather. It's pretty bad. So I'm about to go to get in that shower. I'ma holla at you in an hour. Get in there. No, just fine. But look, I forgot to tell y'all to like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. So go ahead and do that. Smash the like button, comment, and subscribe. Ooh, get in there. Ooh, get in there. Like, comment, subscribe. All the big Mustang enthusiasts, people, whatever the freak, however you pronounce the word. But I know y'all gonna be in the comment section laughing like, he can't even put brake calipers on. And bro, I don't really know nothing about the work. I just know about the stuff I want done to my car. I ain't with all that, yeah. I just rather pay somebody, get it done. But at this moment, I'm ready to start learning my damn self. Like, $460. But look, like, comment, subscribe. Team Vsop. Gang, gang, gang.
Supercharger on my motor, it's on the way. Oh my god, my bitch so cold.